Want to enjoy fresh cucumbers this summer? Starting cucumber plants from seed is simple and fun. Cucumbers thrive in warm weather and require plenty of sunlight. Let's get started. First, gather your supplies: cucumber seeds, seedling trays, potting soil, and water. Next, fill the trays with soil. Make sure to leave some space at the top. Now, plant your seeds about an inch deep in the soil. Cover the seeds gently with soil and water them lightly. Place the trays in a warm, sunny spot. Cucumber seeds need warmth to germinate. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Check daily for moisture levels. In about 7 to 14 days, you should see tiny sprouts. Once the seedlings have developed 2 to 3 leaves, they're ready to transplant. Choose a sunny spot in your garden or use pots. Carefully transplant the seedlings, keeping the roots intact. Water them well after planting to help them settle in. Finally, care for your plants with regular watering and sunlight. In no time, you'll enjoy delicious homegrown cucumbers. Remember, starting cucumbers from seed is easy and rewarding. Ready to plant your seeds? Grab some today and watch them grow.